my beautiful roses. Welcome back to my channel. Babe, be honest. You've been doing skincare for weeks, maybe even months. You drink water. You wash your face. You've even watched every glow-up video on TikTok, YouTube, and Pinterest. But your skin still isn't giving glass. Still isn't glowing. Still breaking out. And still dull. So what's really going on? In this video, I'm telling you exactly why your skincare isn't working. And the sneaky little habits that are secretly blocking your glow. And don't worry, I'm giving you all the fixes too, because we're glowing up for real this time. So, grab your favorite drink and your prettiest notebook and let's get started. Number 1. You're doing too much. Roses, you have to stop doing too much. Different cleansers every week. Trying 5 DIY masks in one night. Mixing lemon juice with toothpaste just because someone online said it cleared their skin in 5 minutes? Girl, stop. Your skin isn't confused, it's overwhelmed. When you try too many things, your skin gets overwhelmed and damaged. It's called skin barrier damage, and it literally means your skin is screaming for help under all those beauty serums, masks, and cleansers. Roses, it's time to go back to basics. Use a gentle cleanser, a simple toner like rose water or green tea, a lightweight moisturizer like aloe vera or CeraVe, and sunscreen. Stick to this routine for at least 2 weeks before trying anything new. Glow-ups take consistency, not chaos. Your skin doesn't need everything, so stop doing too much. Number 2, you're not drinking water. My dear roses, I see you. You keep buying glow serums, but your water bottle is out there collecting dust. Babe, be for real. Stop spending all your energy on skincare and start drinking more water. If you're not hydrating your body, your skin will always look dry, dull, and tired. Skincare starts from the inside out. Make sure to drink at least 6 glasses of water a day. And if you can't stand plain water, add lemon or cucumber to it for that pretty girl energy. Or sip some warm green tea. Your skin will thank you. Glow tip. Carry a cute bottle with you so you remember to sip all day. Number 3. You sleep like a squirrel. Roses, you're doing skincare at 1 a.m. in the morning with Netflix playing in the background and blue light blasting in your face. No sleep. No rest. And then you wonder why you woke up with a new pimple? Girl, your skin repairs itself while you sleep. If you're scrolling TikTok at 2 a.m., your body is not focused on glowing up. It's surviving. You need to start getting 7 to 8 hours of good sleep every night. Wash your pillowcase every week. Sleep on your back or side. Even better, use a silk or satin pillowcase for extra skincare luxury. That's the real glow-up energy you need. Number 4, hygiene war. Let's be honest, roses. When was the last time you wiped down your phone screen or changed your pillowcase? You're doing skincare with dirty fingers, touching your face 24/7, and sleeping on weeks of sweat and oil. Bacteria loves this for you. Your pores? Not too much. Wash your hands before touching your face anytime you want to do your skincare. Change your pillowcases weekly, and wipe down your phone with a cloth or alcohol wipe. Also, braid your hair up at night, and wear your bonnet to avoid oil transfer from your scalp to your face. Number 5, you're eating like your skin doesn't matter. Now, if you're eating chips, soda, and candies, while hoping your cleanser will fix it, you're hoping for too much, cause it won't. Too much sugar, processed food, and dairy can cause inflammation and acne. You can't glow if your body is fighting acne all the time. You don't need to go full health queen, just start slow. You can cut down on junk food slowly. Start by swapping your soda with water, chips with fruits, veggies, and nuts. This will help fuel your glow from the inside out. Number 6, you're ignoring the sun. My dear roses, please stop acting like the sun doesn't exist. You're spending money on vitamin C serum to fight dark spots, but skipping the one thing that actually prevents them? Sunscreen is very important, roses. UV rays is the number 1 cause of aging, hyperpigmentation, and dullness. Using active ingredient skincare without sunscreen is very bad for you. Sunscreen is non-negotiable. Sun rays come through your windows on cloudy days, all year round. They silently kill your glow. Here's the fix. Apply sunscreen every single day on your face and neck. Whether it's raining or shining, inside or outside. Find a formula you actually enjoy wearing, lightweight, no white cast, maybe even with a glow. Make it the non-negotiable final step of your morning routine every day. Number 7. You don't know how to exfoliate. Roses, you say you exfoliate, but you're either scrubbing your skin every single day or you're scrubbing once a month. Both are wrong, roses. Too much exfoliating and you damage your skin. Too little and dead skin starts to build up and block your glow. Learn to exfoliate just once or twice a week. Use gentle scrubs like oatmeal instead of sugar. Just take a small handful of plain oats. Add a tiny bit of warm water to your palm and mush the oats between your fingers for 30 seconds. They'll get soft and release their milky, soothing substance. Then gently massage this creamy oatmeal paste onto your damp face for about 60 seconds. It's soft, soothing, and perfect for gently scrubbing away dead skin without any harsh tearing. Rinse with cool water and your skin will feel incredibly soft, calm, and smooth, not red or raw. Number 8. You're stressed all the time. Now, roses, if your brain is in chaos, your skin will be too. Stress produces breakouts. You're always anxious, overwhelmed, scrolling nonstop, and your skin is showing it. Breathe, journal, stretch. Whatever calms you. Take phone breaks, yes, even from glow-up TikToks. Do face yoga or massage your face with aloe vera during your free time. Even just sitting still with your thoughts can be very powerful. Glow tip. Give your skin 10 minutes of peace every day. Just you and your thoughts, no stress. Number 9. You're still not using ice. My lovely roses, you wake up with your face inflamed and puffy every morning, and you're still not using ice? Baby, what are you even doing? Puffy, dull skin needs a boost, and ice tightens your pores, reduces swelling, and brings that natural glow. So wrap an ice cube in cloth and glide it over your skin after cleansing. Or make an ice water bowl and dip your face in it. Use it to calm, depuff, and tighten your pores. Glow tip. Use ice after washing your face to seal everything in every morning, like frosting on a pretty cake. And that's everything, roses. Now, let me tell you something. If your skincare hasn't been working, it's not because your skin is broken. It's because your habits need healing too. So stop copying every new trend and start listening to your skin. Keep it simple, stay consistent, glow up slow, glow up soft, and glow up smart. You don't need tons of skincare products or expensive creams. You just need to love your skin, care for it the right way, and give it time. Because the glow, it's coming. And this time it's real. Subscribe for more glow up girl talks. See you next time, roses.